Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Iiwey Q7 dashcam. This one features a dual 4K cameras, start with sensors, Wi-Fi 6, GPS, and a bunch of smart features. First inside the box is your user's manual. Some important notes for your installation. Here's the front 4K camera with 3.18 inches IPS screen and 170 wide angle. Here's the rear 4K camera with 5.5 meter cable. It is perfect for SUVs and hatchbacks like our Kia Sportage. Here's your GPS suction mount that adds route and speed data to your recordings. Here's the car charger plug-and-play setup. There's no hard wiring needed unless you want 24/7 parking mode. Here's your crowbar tool and cable clips makes clean installation easy. It also comes with a small pin to reset your camera. For the installation, I mounted the front cam behind the rear view mirror using the GPS suction cup. Routed the cable down the passenger side trim using the crowbar tool. And for the rear cam, I run the cable through the headliner to the back window. Clean fit in the Sportage. Both cams power on automatically when the car starts. The UI is simple and responsive. You can toggle resolution, adjust loop recording length, and lock footage manually. There's also G-sensor sensitivity, parking mode settings, and screensaver options. Everything accessible with clear icons and menus. The Iiwey app connects using the Wi-Fi 6. Downloads are fast, up to 20 megabytes per second. You can preview live footage, download clips, view GPS route data, and lock important videos. The app is free and doesn't require any VIP upgrades. Here's the front cam during the day. The first thing I notice is how sharp it is. However, when I pause the video, I can't make out any license plates on the vehicles in front of me. A lot of the areas are overexposed due to the sun, making it hard to see details on the plates. Overall, though, the footage is still usable for monitoring incidents. At night, the starvis sensor and HDR keep things visible. Street lights, pedestrians, and road markings all shows up clearly. The rear camera is capable of producing 4K footages, but I don't think it's reliable for capturing text or license plates. That being said, the footage is still great for monitoring tailgaters or parking incidents. So let's talk about the pros of this dashcam. I love the 4K resolution on both the front and rear cameras. The ultra-wide angle is an amazing feature, helping me for blind spots that my rear view mirror can't, which is a huge plus for me. Downloading footage to my phone is incredibly fast at 20 megabytes per second. The GPS feature that logs your route location is a fantastic bonus. And Iiwey also included 128 gigabytes card. So now let's talk about the cons. I wish the rear cam came with suction cup for easy removal or in case you want to move the camera location. I wish that I can toggle the HDR on and off in the app or in the camera. Lastly, camera dynamic range could use an improvement, especially during the bright day. But other than that, coming from a 1080p dashcam, this is a great upgrade for me. Overall, for its price, the Iiwey Q7 dashcam offers premium features without the premium cost. It's simple to install, captures sharp 4K footages both day and night, and provides peace of mind whether you're driving or parked. If you're in the market for dual-channel dashcam with 4K and GPS recording capabilities for your family car, this one is worth considering. The link is included in the description and comment section. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one.